Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Khadaijah Othman from AS25568. For today, I will be presenting about the topic comparing landscape characteristics to understand Malayan Tapir conflicts in Negeri Sembilan with the guidance of my supervisor, Dr. Muhammad Kamarudin Zainul Abidin. Here is the presentation outline. First, let me start with the introduction of Malayan Tapir. Malayan tapir is the only member of Tapiridae family which lives in Asia. The scientific name is Tapirus Indicus. The well-known Southeast Asian endemic large-bodied Asian tapir is listed as endangered species by IUCN. In this study, 5 landscape variables were tested, including elevation, distance to forest, distance to water, distance to urban area, and slope. The problem statement is there is a lack of research about the area's attributes related to tapir conflicts. Besides, the Malayan tapir conflict region distribution over Negeri Sembilan had not been adequately studied. It might be challenging to determine the most significant area with high intensity tapir conflict. The significance of the study is to figure out the major concern about the factors that cause the human Malayan tapir conflicts by comparing the region with high conflicts and low conflicts of Malayan tapir. Therefore, the evaluation of the area with high conflict is vital to ensure the survival of the species and find ways to overcome the problems and protect these endangered species. The objective of the study are to construct the map and determine the area with high conflict and low conflicts of Malayan tapir in Negeri Sembilan, and also to make a comparison between high and low conflict involving Malayan tapir in Negeri Sembilan. Malayan tapir is from Tapiridae family and order Perissodactyla. It is from class Mammalia, phylum Chordata, and lastly kingdom Animalia. Malayan tapir is the largest among the tapir species and the only one with a black and white coloring. The calf of the Malayan tapir is different from its mother as it has black and white spots, and the calf's fur is dark brown with white stripes and spots that fade over time. For morphology, tapir has 4 toes on the front feet and only 3 on the back. It also has proboscis that offers a powerful sense of smell and the ability to pull leaves into its mouth. Tapirs are all hindgut fermenting herbivores and they are more broad eaters than ruminants. The tapirs are selective browsers, often consuming just the young leaves. As for reproduction, Malayan tapirs are monogamous during mating season and often breed in May and June. Mates are usually introduced through scent signal and sight cues. A major threat to Malayan tapir is forest conversion to agriculture, resulting in habitat loss. The main crops in Peninsular Malaysia are oil palm and rubber. This has caused the wildlife to enter crossroads that disrupt its habitat, eventually resulting in vehicle crash, especially if the damaged forest was in the wildlife native area. The mitigation strategy for Malayan tapir is the establishment and maintenance of wildlife corridors, or generally supported as the mitigation strategy to reduce the Malayan tapir conflicts. The most achievement so far for conservation effort is Perhilitan recent announcement to establish Malaysia's first tapir conservation centre. This conservation centre will concentrate on tapir recovery and breeding. As you can see from the map, the study is conducted in Negeri Sembilan. The state of Negeri Sembilan consists of 7 districts: Jelebu, Seremban, Port Dickson, Rembau, Kuala Pilah, Jempol, and Tampin. First, the data on Malayan tapir conflicts from 2013 to 2018 was collected from DWNP. Then we proceed with the mapping process by using ArcGIS software. The hotspot area of conflict was analyzed by using kernel density. Next, the area with high and low conflict was selected, and Malayan tapir conflict within 5 landscape variables were extracted to Excel. The independent sample t-test was run by using SPSS software to test the difference between areas of high and low conflict. And lastly, the data were analyzed further by using the pivot table and Excel. The figure shown is the distribution of human tapir conflict in Negeri Sembilan from 2013 to 2018. The point indicates the HTC, which is human tapir conflict, occurrence in the area. The district with the highest number of points is Kuala Pilah, which was 18 points, while the district with the lowest point was Port Dickson, which is no point appear to show sign of HDC. Jelebu has the second highest number of points, which was 13 points, while Seremban, Jempol, Rembau and Tampin are 5, 2, 3 and 4 points respectively. The figure shown is the map of the hotspot area of human Malayan Tapir conflicts in Negeri Sembilan. The darkest blue shows the area with the most conflict, while dark blue color area represent moderate conflict. Light blue indicates low conflict and the lightest blue shows the lowest conflict area. The districts of Jelebu, Kuala Pilah and Rembau shows a high density of conflict distribution, and the highest STC fall in Jelebu district, which bordering between Kuala Pilah and Seremban. The kernel density map also shows the district with the lowest conflict were Jempol, Tampin, Seremban and Port Dickson. The table shows the mean, p-value and significant difference between low and high conflict areas for each landscape characteristic. There are two landscape variables that illustrate the significance of human tapir conflict, which are distance to water and distance to forest. The other three landscape variables that was not significant towards human tapir conflict, which are the elevation, distance to urban area, and slope. Distance to the forest is significant variable towards conflicts due to habitat loss, and tapir were forced to do the migration for survival to another habitat. While the distance to water is also significant, as tapir sightings are frequently associated with bodies of water where they spend the majority of their active time, such as foraging. Elevation does not influence the conflict, as this conflict generally occurs in lowland areas regardless of low conflict or high conflict. Distance to urban area also is not significant, as tapirs can sustain in almost all kinds of diminished habitats and flexible to changes in diet, and can live relatively close to human population if left alone. Lastly, conflicts were not affected by slope due to the population of tapir itself that are less in the slope area. As a conclusion, the map of conflict involving Malayan tapir distribution was constructed, and the area with high conflict and low conflict of Malayan tapir in Negeri Sembilan. Next, the comparison between high and low conflict area involving Malayan tapir in Negeri Sembilan also has been done by using the analysis from sample independent t-tests in SPSS software and pivot table. In terms of spatial distribution, the highest cases of conflict occur in Kuala Pilah, while the lowest cases of conflict occur in Rembau. The limitation of this study is the lack of research studies regarding Malayan tapir and the presence of problems that happen while running the SPSS software. Here is my recommendation regarding conflict between human and Malayan tapir. Government has a crucial role in the conservation of Malayan tapir, such as sustainability of the current gazetted region, which is crucial for the conservation action. It is strongly advised that the government strengthen law enforcement, take animal relocation, restocking and reintroduction and ecological restoration into consideration to protect tapir population in forestry reserve. It is important to have speed limit signs, and a sign should be located alongside a road to alert drivers that the region is a wildlife crossing location to prevent any wildlife roadkill. And lastly, each party is necessary to cooperate to prevent any threats that can cause conflict between humans and Malayan tapir. And that is all from me. Thank you.